Hi, so today we are going to learn about shipment and return tracking. So shipment and return tracking is a very important process while you are selling online, since there are a lot of misshipments that are happening. The sellers do not receive back all the returns that are filed by the customer or are coming as a courier return. So let's learn how to keep a track on your shipments and returns. So you can see here, all you need to go to the orders menu, click on shipment tracking. So whatever orders are shipped by the seller starts showing up here into the ship tab. You can see that there are orders available from different panels. Okay, Snapdeal is there, Flipkart is there. So once these orders are delivered, these orders automatically gets moved to the delivered state. So at any point of time, the seller can know that how many orders are still into shipment and how many are delivered to the customer. So once the product is delivered to the customer, there are two probabilities. Either the customer is going to keep it or the customer will return it. There is one more type of return, which is a courier return. So irrespective of what is the nature of return, if it is filed on the panel, it starts coming up here into the returning tab. Now this data is the panel pull data. You can see that in the first order, it is showing as return delivered. While if you see this other order, it still says that it's returning. This means that order is still under return. Now how the seller should acknowledge that this parcel has been physically received by them. So there are two ways to do it. If you're a person who is having only 4 to 5 returns a day, there's a very simple process. All you need to do is you need to enter the order number, or you can always use a barcode scanner for it, and click on mark receipt. This process ensures that this particular order has come back as a return and is physically received by the seller. Okay, now there is a possibility that the return you get back, it might be a broken piece or it might be used, so you cannot sell it back. Now marking it received sends it back to the inventory, which would not be correct, right? So what we need to do, we need to go on scan returns. You can see into the orders menu, go to scan returns. You can always use a barcode scanner, or you can enter these manually. You have to select the channel from which it has come back. Now here you can see that this is more detailed version of the same return tracking. You can always keep a track that what was the reason of the return, whether it was an exchange, quality issue, wrong item was delivered. You can make a note of it. So suppose there are operators who are receiving these returns and the return that has come back as a broken piece, he can always make a note if it's a broken piece, or any other information, it's a used lipstick, or any relevant information that can help you get the SPF claims for it. You can also store the image part of the product that has come back, and in order to make sure that it is not going back to the inventory, the seller can always mark the bad quantity as 1 and make the good quantity as 0. The system does not send the bad quantity into the inventory. So you are also going to get the return reports for it, that what is the aging, what is the nature. I'll just show you that. We go to the report section and you have to click on the aging returns report. So this is the report which is going to tell you that how many, when the return should have happened and what is the aging days. So aging days is always calculated from the expected date of return. So the ideal process should be, for the orders for which the aging days is 5 to 7 days, the seller should go and file the SPF claims for that, so that they are able to recover the money. So this is all about return tracking. In case you would like to know more about this, please feel free to reach us over call or email. You can always give a call at 7022-602-063 or write us at info@easeops.in.